Bambonsem is getting out of hand, but as a matter of fact, yeah, been the free show. Na yeah, can you say I na ubi and I'm importable a young man portable ubi roofing company. Now last Thursday, and no mobile yet the launch of the program. Accessory on an office continuously no omo de niema eba frakra near the adeba. Sir John, the day before our mobile started, that is Wednesday, the Thursday, and our chrome 4 ambushy on at the area. Sir John, who say at your one video no. Unia Kuma, where a live video of armed robbers are a trio. Kumasi here as CCTV footage and I capture one a butio just say boys bear 3 now I just boy a bema video munchen ye pam case na be dia squad police for them na ushe video no just say omudi ka be robo first day no. The following 2 days, and almost stormy community. So, video where the CCTV footage. One more, a war CCTV cameras are a war area, honor. And one nipper tray and a ebe. I'm going to flash it. I'm going to laptop. Movie films from channel. Sister, you should. Don't too bad for the film. My God, it is a idea of flash. And the flash is saying, every ground. We say, we have a it's a wonderful mood. Your business is not the product to and I told you. I told you only to be I say you. Adevo bebacho show video no. We are to now. We are rolling the video back into CCTV footage a capture where armed robbers are just a crutio pump action gun. Na gentleman back where victim no. Was it the following day, second day on mobile no? One exchange of guns. Power. As a movie. Jack Chan our movement we movies now. Who say omo ye bi na say killers appear town. Open. Armed robber the crack. When ya kinkan so kromfo am wo kromfo waba no anya wade amfa enkwam nam wo ha no ayi no enya mo wi kromfo wenya mo wi kromfo we armed robbers ye can we first one the credit you know and what bottom the second one the credit you third one the credit you this is what we are saying live e wo Kumasi abontenso atebo hwetue kura wo mo the pump action gun say minim ba ku no smart na ahangia na no now into where tema fiewura no yi video no are you okay where unse say camera no timi SF na ntitama all do replay na ya zoom wo nti ye beba be ma wo anim where camera 1 where cam 1 there no ha enti ye ba be ma mo ni wo anim obia at said ye si call ye live we are any residents aqua couldn't come now. Tie commentary tamana wo mo eroli video no explaining the scenes and in near mahodwa isi koso and oh my god this is serious. Possibility na register to and man ankasa police say area no they say we lead that say hotel na or we take it na again na jitu so FM 87.9 Kumasi na again na register so challenge so because some point in fact also network problem come up petrol we play na retired army officer and police officer
to move it application, move for all the very strong. Some take initiative, really to support it. Now, only now support it. Now, when you be out. I'm the first year and the board. I'm a laptop also come. Movie films in channel. Sister issues. Don't too bad for the film. My daughter here. It is a idea of first. I'm looking on. And the first is saying, no, every piano, we say, when you're there, system, it's a motor for a mood. The person is saying all the crowd will know. And I told you, I told you, only have to be I say you.
Okay, so atefo ubetimi mu amu esra so de yenya course amount for frase kofi enra ye victims our area 0244 718161 ubetimi de voice note amayen 0244 718161. Now watch the scene. Afei akoja mama me different video. A close-up of a video of a Mnantiano Tama Wamo Airben facilities no. Na ushe video ni ya so roll the next video. We are maybe another video omukobo brother ba kone car. Na omu yi munyame nyina efrimu. And oh my God, this is so scary. Ahaya akoma 87.9 FM. Now you watching a video, a live video, CCTV footage of an armed robbers over the weekend. A stormy residents ewo esreso enen mpotemwa. I can tell you, say it was so bad. Na utie residents na nchimwa wa de bai yentie wa mubintiwe. Some of them.
Kumasi.
Oh, opening will be some no credit. Say Sunday no panel. With the honor me call a free sport now walk and was no. Say I confirm be boot sport in any stores near the way hand. And require barber shay. A buyer no and sport in any moon in near my son. Or more uniscar near a day or more ye be at the court. Asana store twa so no so provision store and so mkobubu ani ekoyi mu ne ma mo don be yi de koy asana woman ba ko no so ye wholesale ton drinks na YouTube nsa ono so ye ko no hono ne so mo so bu ani ne ma mo ne nsa de ono so mo yi bibire de ko okay me sport am there for now there first be 2005 asana after no omo fa nsa bro be 180 asana mo fa phones mienu fa laptop ko tu charger to laptop no de twene
me wo high tension eno anopa me ofie ne frame se akromfo abubu me shop weni me buy suna shop ne da wosa ena oniema na omo tweye no emo ena me fan say akwa oniema na ne board ndo mo sesa ne nyina ena omo jame rubber ones no ti e ba na ekofa police for mo mba be hwe ena omo koe ti e we na etum ko finti mo te ya esa the best friend so obia mo na djuma ho ban se ekwan abefa so a obeye wa djuma no me camera boy omutu because of oba me hwe na me hu omutu omutu camera yi ne koi ene man de ne board na na omuche koi but me danya me asesa me nkwate as ntinyame ene me boaf.
Okay, now okay, my mame abrante ba ko na ono ankwa ben wo na no hye I think white mask no. Give me that video, quick one.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Right. So give me the video of the young man. Oh no, essay. Okay, no, don't another different video. Give me that. Okay, where are pictures of Omo? Mame, the last video was white. Mon director no mame. Okay, now this is what you have. So you see say onono ba war na ho. Then nanka or move slowly. nti ɛna wo hwɛ we pictures ye zoom a yen sabetimi aka wo mo na yenya the scene at the time at the na omo eye enti areas ni nyina in fact virtually omo wie nipa. Okay, so this is it. We are one of the officers now. Kromfo na ba ko na eba no. Now watch him. On the create you. Is it where a pinch bar na you? Ukraden. Okay. Where a pinch bar and right? Aba. Okay. Now you have another one so na ebe. You have another one and I want so eba no. So this is the one. Uni. So Oshinika. And now pause the video. Pause it. Now kowachi kakra. Aha. Na me ye okay. Now kowachi biem. Afi wonina nkwa. Now so now this is it.
Well, we who's that kind of a share omuchi free.
Okay.
Ebina kitani. Sometimes
anti we be no obetimi dey twa.
Hey, Kofi, asaba na kan.
Oh sure.
Hey. Kofi, no two okra ba tora sekan.
Ba wase papa, who dey twa no say.
Kofi, asaba na etu okra ba tora sekan. Enti ofu say eda ne nsam sa no. And o sia na wo chia.
Ka say a week ke ne kuta nto o twen ya na.
Say o approach no.
Yeah.
Na so mpese omom around bet say bibi koso a. Kofi, obet or the be was simple. Because for tutu there will be that alarm say bibi koso around. This will be an option say we are just so pia ba na juna be
now play the video.
Obet me dia wo. Nti abi tu okrom to na
okay,
second.
So onuru ano na just gradually go ora if you oh too bad. Very bad.
Kofi say at the stores ana.
Yeah.
Anymore
Because we anymore na beka say stores.
And
pack.
that is how omo.
So nipa mienu na betwam.
Yes.
Nipa mienu na betwam. The first person and the second person. But if you could see so omo ba no. Na omo appearance no was different from what we are seeing.
No, say omo ko 2 days so.
Oh, okay.
Omo ye 2
Okay. So this is a different day.
Kumasi.
2 days different robbery.
So Kofi Bako the other one also na be.
Aye. 2 days different robbery. We are ade che no musa kokro nim. No musa ko wi obi ante no na make say one of the victims. Now also
so that means we okoja ma connect na because we are seeing more than 3 people in this video.
They are 3.
Okay, so okay.
So where car na omo eko now okoja ma road the car. So you have the car
87.9 Kumasi.
Womo say
so at this point almost scanning through the area.
Yeah.
To see how safe here for more prisons. Yes,
exactly.
Because that's what I'm seeing.
Exactly.
That's what I'm how say is safe for more prisons on Baba ya and I say execute. Exactly. Because we free can neighbor. We free the other end neighbor. And now coffee time was 2:03.
I said that time nana ya odeno no moba.
2 a.m.
No, yeah.
That time there, what that could do.
And I said to there before crack or quotia or babeda and nana any day. On never die and so quote you and namna any da worry. That is how you do. But it's so dangerous. Car na
14th year Sunday.
Yeah. We a car na akronfono ebure mu yi mu niam ni nyina. And this is a victim. Yeah, can I say this was in a Rambo style robbery, so terrible. And video I will show how events unfold here. Higher Kuma 87.9 FM. We Tundra and on my breaky cano and Munia Medina.
Odebia.
Aye, we me patrol. And found to media.
You call an Abia.
It's so serious. It's so terrible. And Sir John, the Americans said, is it and yet something simple, sir?
No, Kofi.
And yet something simple, sir. In fact, as we speak, or more, according to information, almost for 2,000, 2,500, and a year Hennessy, Bellies, ada na about 18,000. I almost fan sunning now. Now, all that's a bar on Mukura, no. And no dan channel, so yes, almost sign we are and near my hood. And to say that because the car no bar console or Mukobo Bonura, a J, a honey menina. These are the things that echo so